Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with people you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 38. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 2, 5, and 6 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 5, 6. And no help here, 2, 5, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So 4, 7. 4, 7, and 9 here. So this is our 2. That means the only place the 4 can be in that box is here. And now if we look back, the only place the 2 can be in this row is here. We can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7, 9. 2 here, so 6, 7, 9. 2 here, 7 here, so 6, 9. 2 and 9 here, so 6, 7. If we look, the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. Got the 1 here, so 7, 9. No help here, 1, 7, 9. 7 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. No help here, 5, 6, 7, 9. 5 here, so 6, 7, 9. And if we look at this column now, the only place the 5 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 3, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 8 and 9 means this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. But that 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 9. No help here, 6, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 9, 2 here, so 8, 9. So if we look at that column now, the only place the 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 5, 6. No help here, 2, 5, 6. 2 here, so 5, 6. And that means the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so 5, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 5, 7. 5 here, so 4, 6, 7. That means the only place the 4 can be in this column is here. The only place the 7 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, 8. 1 and 8 here, so 5, 9. So if we look, the only place the 1 can be in that row is here, and that means the only place the 5 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. For this column now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 7, 9. If we look, then the only place the 3 can be in that column is here. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 6, 8, 7, 8, and 9 here. So this is our 6. Oh, and that should have been 6, 8. And that's the only place the 8 can be in that row, so that is our 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4. Oh, wait, this 6 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. So for this row or column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 9. 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. And that 7 and 9 makes this our 1. And that 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 9 makes this our 8. That 8 and 9 makes this our 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.